Hey guys, it's Sandy Missouri from Balloon Utopia and Market with Balloons. We are here in my test kitchen, and do I have a treat for you? I have my good friend Katie Byrne here, and she is going to share some amazing things with you. So, without further ado, let's welcome her to show you something awesome.
Hey there, Katie from Beltway Balloons here in Washington, D.C. at www.beltwayballoons.com. Today I'm going to show you my line work lightsaber. I always ask the kids if they want red or blue or green because those are the lightsaber colors. So today we're going to make blue. We're going to kick it old school Luke Skywalker style. And you're going to take a clear 260 and you're going to put a 160 inside. It should just fit nicely in there. Should fit nicely in there. And you literally just feed it right into the 260. We're going to inflate both of these, but not at the same time. First, you're going to put some air into the clear 260, so you're just going to stick your pump in between the nozzle of the 160 and the 260. I'm going to give it about 4 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, maybe 6. I'm going to give it 6 pumps. Then you're going to inflate the 160. So you're going to hang on to this, and then you're going to get your pump onto your 160, or your 160 onto your pump. Make sure that the nozzle goes into the 260 because otherwise your 160 is going to inflate outside, and that's not what you want. We want to inflate it inside. So now you have your 160 inflated inside of your 260. We'll add a little bit of air to make it easier to tie. And then you're going to come up to where the 160 ends. Go ahead and twist that off. And then just deflate the clear. Tie it off. And then you can cut off the excess. For the handle, I'm using a black 260, about halfway inflated, and we're just going to do a super simple base. We're going to do 3 loop twists. It's going to be about 3 fingers. Wrap the knot around. Bring the nozzle through the middle. And that will secure it. Make 2 more of those. You could do this with a 350, you could do this with silver. You can really use your imagination with this one, but this will make it simple. We're gonna make a handle about 6 or 7 inches in length. Get rid of the excess, tie the bottom off. Now we're gonna take the knot of our 160 and 260 and we're gonna tie that into our loop twists for the handle. And then what I usually do for this one to make it super strong is to wrap the 260 around the loop twists. And that'll make it nice and secure. So there you have a super fast lightsaber. Whom, whom, whom. So when you've got a line of 30 kids and the kid wants, the Death Star in full detail, you can offer them this and I guarantee you they're gonna be happy. I'm Katie with Beltway Balloons. If you like what you see, please click like. Please subscribe to Sandy's channel. Go ahead and leave us a comment. Let Sandy know what you'd like to see from her as she does balloon videos every week. Go forth and balloonify.